Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a product review of the Yvone G Moisturizing Detox Clay Wash. And this is me realizing you can't see. So I'm going to jump straight into the video and we'll get straight into the product. So I've never used a clay wash before, so this is going to be a first for me. So I had to actually read the instructions and see how to use it because I've never used a clay wash before. So this will be interesting as it'll be my first ever review. So the instructions say we start off by shaking the bottle. So I started off by shaking the bottle and just obviously taking my hair out of its little poof situation. This is my hair again at the end of the week. This is after work. I just come back from work, so as you can see it's looking a little dry and a little interesting. So it says in the instructions that you need to put it on damp hair, so the clay will be put on damp hair. So I've gone through and dampened my hair and just started sort of detangling it a little bit. It's got a very interesting smell. It smells very organic. If you've ever been into an organic shop or like Ishka or something, that's what it smells like. You can smell everything that has been put in there. So here I'm trying to put the product on my hair, but it's not really working because my hair is quite thick. It's just not working, with which I advise for most people, if you have hair texture like mine or just curly hair in general, you need to section your hair. I don't know why I didn't start off with this at the start. Like with anything, your conditioner, anything, it's better to go through sections so you don't chew through products. Go through and I'm twisting my hair as I put it into sections. This is just habitual for me. I realize now that I actually need to start detangling my hair, so I go through and undo all of my little twists because I have to begin finger detangling my hair as it says in the instructions. So I begin finger detangling my hair. As you can see, I hope you guys can see that my curls are beginning to just flourish, especially down the bottom there. As I'm detangling, the clay is kind of getting a little bit stiff. It's not as wet anymore. I'm presuming my hair is beginning to sort of soak up all the oils and the goodness and everything good in the clay wash. And I made sure that I rinse my hair a lot of times, more than sort of I normally would do, because I was a little bit afraid that there would still be extra stuff in my hair. Here sort of touching my hair a little bit, and I'm a little bit shocked as to how soft it is. My hair has actually never been this soft. I don't even know how to explain it. It's quite fluffy. It doesn't look it, but it felt good. So I'm going to go through some of the ingredients all of the ingredients in this clay wash. So we've got Rasal clay, bentonite clay, distilled water, cacao butter, argan oil, coconut oil, aloe vera juice, vegetable glycerin, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, elderberry extract, aspen bark extract, and essential oil blend plus. Pretty much everything is organic. So while I do my hair, I'm just going to go through and discuss some of the things about this product. My favorite part about this product, something that I was quite shocked at, is how fluffy my hair was. my hair felt so amazingly fluffy. It's never felt that nice. Maybe because of all the stuff that's in it. Or another thing was how easy it was to use. I like how convenient it is to actually have it already ready for you. You don't have to mix it with your own oils or anything like that. It's ready to go. It's ready for you to use straight away. But I will admit, if you do not like scented things, if you don't like scented conditioners, if you don't like scented anything, you will be a little bit offended by the smell. It's very potent, and it's a very like nice organic sort of calming smell. Personally, for myself, I'm not a big fan of things that smell, and I've never liked things that haven't a fragrance to them, but I don't particularly mind this smell. But I would, next time I do use this, with which I will be using it again, I will go through again with a conditioner just to sort of make the smell a little bit more minute. But if you don't care about scents and stuff, this won't be an issue at all, because it's quite a nice smell. It's quite like an organic sort of smell. But yeah, overall I'm really impressed. I thought that this would dry the heck out of my hair, but I will it's done more nourishing to my hair than my nourishing conditioner, which is an absolute surprise to me. So I've got some exciting news for you guys. I've got a coupon code for you guys. So I'm going to put the coupon code here, or maybe here, and I'm going to link it down in the description as well. This will give you 10% off on the website, Yvone G website, or you can visit the Etsy page as well. They do international shipping if you're based in Australia like I am. I do recommend for you guys to try this out, see how you like it, and see what it does for your hair. I'll be interested to see what it does for other people who aren't particularly 4C type hair. Overall, I'm so impressed with this product. I'm really impressed with the Yvone G Moisturizing Detox Clay. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to comment down below if you want to see my video every time it comes out and get a notification. Don't forget to press the bell button down below. I will see you guys next week. Bye.